Great people, welcome to NameTech channel. My name is Nehemiah and I'm very happy to have you on board. So this is another lesson on Matplotlib and we are going to talk about the bus. But then before we begin, please subscribe if you have not subscribed. And to the returning subscribers, I really appreciate you very much for your support. You can as well like this video so that YouTube may recommend it to very many viewers. Now guys, basically with Pyplot you can use the bar function to draw the bar graph. So guys, without further ado, let's begin straight away coding. We are beginning by first importing the Matplotlib with the import keyword. Import Matplotlib dot pyplot is an alias plt, and then also we are going to import numpy for our arrays. Numpy is should be numpy first of all, and then as keyword np alias, and then let's create our variable. The first variable, let's assign it to this numpy array, and then in the array list I can give it something like let me call it let me use values. Perhaps let me say this one to be a, to represent a, bar a, comma, then the other item to be b, then the other item should be bar c, should be c, and then for the y-axis now we are going to use some values. So y, then let me assign it to a numpy array, np dot array, np.array, and then in this array list I'm gonna pass in perhaps some values like 3. Should be in our array list is defined using the squared brackets, and then let me pass in 3, 8, 1, and then or something like 10. You can use any other value, guys, and then plt. Now to draw the bar, we are gonna use the bar function here. Then we are gonna pass in x and y, x and y, sorry. And then to visualize, we are gonna use this function plt. Remember, plt is the alias for matplotlib.pyplot, which is responsible for plotting such graphs. Then let me say show. Then I hope everything is okay. Then what let me run these codes, and then guys, I think there's an error here. Let me find the shape mismatch object cannot be broadcast. Oh guys, basically I used here it should be what? It should be actually the values should be equal. Like here should be d, because here at the bottom I used 4 values. Then here what I do, let me run again, and then guys, basically you can see it is working very perfectly. So this is how you can you can use the bar function to draw the bar graphs. So guys, basically the bar functions take arguments that describe the layout of the bars. Now guys, basically the categories and their values represented by it is represented by the first and the second argument. So so guys, basically the bar function takes argument and that describe the layout of the bar. Now basically the first it takes the first and the second arguments. Like here we are passing x-axis and the y-axis, so it takes these are 2 arguments to plot our graphs. But then now let me talk about the horizontal bars. These ones are vertical. Let me now talk about the horizontal bars. Now guys, if you want the bars to be displayed horizontally instead of vertically, we use the bar h. So instead of bar just plain, we define bar h to specify that our bars are displayed horizontally. So basically that's how you can do that. Then let me talk about the bar color, guys. Basically the bar and the bar function take the keyword argument color to set the color of the bars. Like guys, let me add in another argument here. Perhaps let me say color, and then I'm gonna pass in what first of all I'm assigning to. You can use a color value red, and then it's gonna be red, or you can use hexadecimal value for red is it is usually FF. You begin with a hash, FF, then a 0000, then it will still give you the red color. For green, for green it should be 00 and then a FF. Then when you run it will be a green. For blue, it is a 00 FF. When you run it will be blue. For yellow it is usually FF, then a 00, and then basically you can find it is yellow. For which color? Let's try orange. FFA 500 should be FFA 500, I think. Yeah, guys, basically this is how you can obtain the color values there. So guys, let me talk about the bar width in a few. Now guys, basically the bar takes the keyword argument width to set the width of the bars. Like let me add in this parameter width. Then let me assign it to perhaps 0.1. Then here let me just use a normal horizontal, vertical, bars. And then again, basically you can see it is now very small. You can decide to use even let me try 1.0. It will be very big. Let me run again and see. And then again, basically you can see it is very big. So guys, basically that's how you can define it, and you can also define the height. Now guys, basically for height, this was the width. Now for height, we have to define here the bar height, like that, BARH, and then here we are gonna change the argument to be height, right? Let's change it to height. Then what I do, let me run. I think the spelling are okay. And then again, basically this is how you can define the height of the bars. So basically this is what I wanted to show you in this tutorial, and I think you've gained something. So guys, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.